What are we what are we doing here after hours? If you wanted to do this alone, then oh, you wanted that alone. Well, why couldn't we do this somewhere a bit more private? I guess you're right. I guess this is a bit more of a romantic place to do it. Come on. What? I don't want to get in trouble, okay? You. Alright, fine. Come here. Mm. Oh, fuck. Someone heard us. Come on, come on. Um, into the closet. Phew. I guess we're gonna have to wait them out. Well, I guess you got that intimate affection you wanted because we're now so squeezed up in here. Don't really have that much room. Oh, oh, my, so much, so much dust. It's tickling my nose. Hey, oh, oh shit. Go sneeze. I, 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 I'm trying. I really am. I'm trying to hold it back, but it, it tickles so much. Oh, oh shit. Oh shit. The footsteps are getting closer. Shh. Okay, good. It's 7 away. That was so close. Close. Oh, oh no. I think I need to sneeze again. No, 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 I cannot. I can't sneeze right now. If I do, they're going to hear us for sure. I, but I, I can't, I, I, I can't hold it back. I know this is a, a, a bit awkward, but put your finger on my nose before I sneeze. Oh, false alarm. Thank you. That's better. Oh, oh. Okay, I managed to stifle that one, but ow, that gave me a bit of a headache. Oh, oh, I feel lightheaded. Maybe you should check to see if he's still near, because we gotta get out of here before I. Oh shit. Gonna sneeze again. Put it back. Put it back under. My. Uh, 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 I I don't think I can hold it back anymore. Okay. Good. 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 I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. Well, I hear the footsteps. He he's for sure coming back. I think we're gonna have to make a run for it. I mean, yeah, you're right. If we go out there, they're gonna recognize our faces, and we're gonna be in trouble. And I don't think you know anybody else that has a bowl for a face. But but if I stay in this room any longer, I I I feel another sneeze coming on. Ugh. Okay, I stifled two of them, but I can't really do that for much longer. I think our best shot is to make a run for it. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. I can see the door. Keep running. Quick, let's get them back. Okay. I think we're safe now. One more. One more sneeze. I promise I'm done. Okay, that's all of them. We're never doing this again.